Sun-dried chicken is an alternative way to cook very crispy fried chicken without flour coating. It takes a day, but the results are amazing. The ingredients needed are 300 grams of whole leg chicken. I have 4 pieces here. It weighs 1.2 kilograms in total. 80 grams of garlic, crushed with mortar and pestle. You can chop it with knife as well. Half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. All ingredients are ready. Let's marinate the chicken. Put all the chicken in a large mixing bowl. Add in all the salt and pepper. Rub the chicken until salt and pepper is well spread and absorbed. Now add in all the oyster sauce and repeat. Add in all the garlic. Alright, the chicken is marinated. Next, arrange all the chicken in the cooling rack. If there is any balance of garlic, just drop it onto any piece of the chicken. Now we can dry the chicken in the sun. If the sun is very strong, drying it for 4 to 5 hours is sufficient. Alright, we are leaving it here. Leaving the chicken out in the open like this may have some fly come and sit on it. If you want, you can cover it with the transparent netting. Since the sun is very strong today and here does not have any flies, I will leave the chicken here without the cover so the chicken can get direct to the strong sunlight. After 3 hours, the chicken is slightly dry. Turn it to allow them to be evenly dry and rehydrated. I will continue to dry them in the sun for another 1 or 2 hours. After 4 to 5 hours in the sun, the chicken will be crispy from the outside and juicy on the inside. Alright, the chicken now is ready after 5 hours in the strong sun. This is what it looked like. I am removing all the garlic from the chicken because the garlic will burn before the chicken is cooked. So, we will fry the chicken first. Once the chicken is cooked, we will fry the garlic. I have a frying pan here filled with hot oil. There are ripples at the bottom of the pan. Put in the chicken. For the optimal control, frying them 2 by 2 would be better. As I am rushing for dinner, I'm frying all of them together. It might be a bit crowded, but it is okay. Notice that there is no oil splash when putting in the chicken and during cooking, as the outer part of the chicken is rehydrated from drying in the sun. I am straining the garlic out from the hot oil first, as it will burn before the chicken is cooked. So I will leave the chicken here to cook for 15 minutes. After 8 minutes, the chicken should be cooked at the bottom. Turn it to another side for even cooking. The smell is really lovely. It makes me hungry already. See, the chicken is slightly darker in color due to the oyster sauce that we marinated the chicken with. I will leave it here to fry for another 7 minutes. Alright, time's up. I'm taking the chicken out from the frying pan and rest it on the cooling rack. The oil in the pan is still really hot. Use a strainer to remove all the scum of chicken pieces out of the pan. Put in all the garlic. And fry it for about 45 seconds or until brown. Remove it, as it can burn very fast. Next, we will arrange the fried chicken on the serving plate. Sprinkle the crispy fried garlic and garnish with cilantro leaf. Now we are ready to serve. The fried chicken smells amazing and it makes me very hungry. See, the chicken cooked perfectly, crispy from the outside and juicy on the inside. Let's eat. So delicious and tasty. The skin is super crispy. The garlic is very crispy and fragrant. Lovely. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon for more simple home cooked dishes like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.